Hello, my name is Simon Johnson. I'm the VP of Client Services at GreenPages, and what that means, I'm responsible for developing our go-to-market service portfolio, as well as running our professional services capability across our transformation services group. What I'm going to be talking about today is the journey to the hybrid cloud, and what's going on in terms of that journey and why it's relevant to our customers and the challenges they're going to face. So right now we're at a stage in the IT evolution where we're seeing probably the most significant shifts I've seen in my career and will see in my career, and those shifts are tectonic throughout the industry. Digital transformation is driving the way we consume services and applications, how they are provisioned, and how IT offers up the base infrastructure to those services. From the way we consume them with smartphones and tablets, through to the applications they're built on and the platforms they sit on, is a complete transformation, and from an operational side, from a design side, and from a go-to-market perspective, that's innovating. What's driven this is the traditional lack of agility that core IT services have provided. Historically, we've expected a nice linear demand curve and supply curve. That's not the case. Supply and demand is evolving, and it moves on a daily basis. And in order to meet that, traditional methods have not been able to keep pace. We provisioned hardware and services with significant capital outlay, and sometimes that's been an opportunity cost or an over expenditure to deliver against the services. So from that, we've seen the evolution since the mid-2007, 2008 onwards of the private cloud. And the private cloud was designed to meet those peaks and demands and address them and soften them and give really an operational-based model that means you would provide services as you needed them to. The problem is private clouds are still based on CapEx, and they're still based on organizations providing single-tenant silos to offer those services up from. So they never really delivered on the promise that the customer base was looking for. That's resulted in the rise of the public cloud. And the public cloud is a true, elastic, on-demand, service-based field that gives our customers the ability to consume services in real time, as and when they need them at a known price point. So what does this mean for IT moving forward? This means that IT has to offer the function of a service broker. It has to provide services that the business needs, and it needs to get far closer to the business. And from that, it'll provide a myriad of services that are both provided on-premise, in the private cloud, as well as the public cloud, giving them a hybrid cloud portfolio. When you start to look at what goes where, that's where real complexity comes in. Looking at your applications, understanding your application stack, understanding which can be moved, which can't be, has huge complexity and is driving us and our customer base up the chain into discussions with the development teams, the applications teams, and the lines of business. You can't just choose any cloud platform to move forward to. So a hybrid cloud world is different from a multi-cloud world. And the multi-cloud world, while it's great, drives huge operational complexity. So you have to decide at which level you buy in, be that the cloud service provider, the orchestration layer, or the automation layer. So when selecting a cloud, you need to understand and be very tightly aligned to the business needs. You need to look at the right technologies that deliver the right service and pick the right cloud offerings that deliver against that.